Hey y'all, it's Matthew here with another quick FAQ. And today we're going to talk about how QuickBooks integrates with EverLogic. We know how important accounting is for any small business. After all, effective accounting can make the difference between success and failure. And that's why EverLogic made integrating with QuickBooks a central part of our identity since our beginnings back in 2003. 20 years later, we are proud to say we are still an Intuit certified developer. QuickBooks is widely recognized as the best accounting software in the market and is familiar to virtually anyone with accounting experience. So instead of developing an accounting module that can't compete with QuickBooks, we instead focused on integrating with it. With that integration, there is no need to post your deals or do your end of days separately in both EverLogic software and QuickBooks. Instead, it is a singular process that you complete within EverLogic. So when you're done, you're just a click away from sending all that work to QuickBooks. It's a seamless process that can be completed in EverLogic, saving you valuable time and reducing frustration. Don't believe me? Check out our knowledge base in the description below, where you can find instructional videos on how to send all your information to QuickBooks. By the way, when you go through your implementation with us, we give you the option of keeping your current QuickBooks mapping, or we can help map it for you. Ready to learn more about EverLogic? Take some time to check out our free demo, or head on over to the EverLogic blog and learn about all that EverLogic has to offer you. I'm Matthew, and this is your EverLogic Quick FAQ.